For contractors, managing invoices, payments, bookkeeping, and taxes all through one platform is a real game changer. Two solid contenders in this space are QuickBooks Payments and FreshBooks Payments. Each offers strong tools for getting paid, tracking income, and staying organized. Yet they deliver slightly different workflows and strengths. Let's explore what each brings to the table and how they stack up for independent contractors. QuickBooks Payments is part of the broader QuickBooks ecosystem. With it, you can send invoices, accept credit card payments, ACH transfers, even tap to pay on mobile devices, all tied directly into your books and expenses. That means when a client pays you, your income is already reflected in your accounting system. Tracking, categorizing, and reconciling become easier. For contractors, one big plus is integration. If you already use QuickBooks for bookkeeping or taxes, adding payments keeps everything under one roof. On the flip side, because it is part of a larger suite, it can feel more expensive or have features you may not need if you are a solo contractor focused mostly on simple invoicing and getting paid quickly. FreshBooks Payments, on the other hand, is built with small business owners and freelancers in mind. With FreshBooks, you can create professional invoices, add your branding, set up recurring billing, apply late fees, and send clients reminders, all from your phone or desktop. The payments component means clients can pay you directly through links embedded in invoices, speeding up cash flow. For many contractors, especially those doing one-person operations or handling project-based work, this simplicity matters. The interface feels lighter and less cluttered, which means fewer distractions. The trade-off? If you grow beyond basic invoicing, you may find that FreshBooks doesn't integrate as deeply into expansive accounting workflows or payroll needs as some larger suites do. In short, QuickBooks Payments is great for contractors aiming to build a robust business infrastructure and manage finances in depth. FreshBooks Payments is excellent for contractors who value ease of use, speed of payment, and a lean-forward platform. Both will serve you well. The right one depends on how you work, what your priorities are, and where your business is headed.